said before, I don't know if you're watching this before or after Mini Nats has happened and this truck's already debuted on social media because it's so cool. So many people have taken pictures of it and shared it on the internet. Okay, maybe I'm dreaming, but this is where we're at right now. Stick around, subscribe, like, follow the channel, buy a t-shirt, become a member. If you're a member, you'll get to see this video like 24 hours before everybody else. Okay, let's make some gussets. We got these gussets and these body mounts. That might help out. These ones we're gonna do something a little different. It's pretty cool when you make a gusset or one side that fits really tight and you're able to take it, flip it over, walk to your other side. Oh, baby. And it just goes right in perfectly. Like, that's nice when you make your own parts and do your own truck and do your own body mounts on your own. I mean, none of this existed before. Let me be a little happy, okay? This was just scrap metal that's now a body mount, that's now a frame, that's now a plate, that's now a gusset. It's pretty cool. All right, we got the welding helmet on. We got the welder fired up. We're getting ready to patch this piece in. Again, not the prettiest, but we're getting better. Not bad, not bad. It's a good day for welding. Just trying to strengthen some things up. Is this gusset necessary? I don't know. But good practice is good practice. I'm gonna knock the gas over if I do that. You know, like that. That works for me. It's behind the cab, behind the bed. No one's ever gonna see this. But I feel a little better that everything's tied together. I mean, gussets and bracing are important. Mini truck stuff. Hey, so necessary or not, I don't know, but I like gussets. I like triangles. They make things strong. So let's weld that puppy in. Good practice anyways, right? Again, maybe not the best, but you can't get better sitting on the sidelines. Well, here's a new view. Yeah, it's upside down. Because why work harder? Get in here and get welding, right? Make it easy on yourself. You can see we're adding in some more gussets, doing some more plating. Oh look, here's what was going on with the frame. So we might as well just weld all that up now. All right, we're gonna get this all welded together. Sandwiched up nice and tight. Outside plates, inside plates, over top plates. And I'm probably still gonna put leaf springs on top of that. Yeah, I'm gonna take my old leaf springs and I'm gonna weld them in for extra protection on top of that part of my frame. So we'll get it all burned in like this and get this all cleaned up and ground down. And then, you know, we'll probably put leaf springs on top of it. You can see we got some penetration and now it's gonna make it a lot easier to get in here and weld the bottom side of this frame where we need to. You want to get better at something, just got to keep doing it. Keep practicing, learn from your mistakes. It's Sunday, I'm feeling silly. I'm just happy to be out in the shop. It's awesome. Work hard all week, be able to play on the weekends. This is where we're at right now. We are like, today is, what is today? Today is March like 25th. So we're roughly like 25 days or something from mini nats, depending on where you live and what part of the world you live in and how you're driving there or trailering there or getting there or when you gotta leave or be wheels up or however you want to say it. But yeah, we gotta do some sanding, some wiping down. We gotta get that thing pulled out of there. And we gotta get this stuff stripped off. But basically we just gotta paint. We just gotta paint and throw it together because I wanted to have a real talk with you guys, so let's get some good light. The internet does a great job of showcasing wins and showing all the good stuff in life. And I'm not gonna get down in the dumps on this talk, but I'm gonna come clean with the little realization that I had while working on this project. And that is, at the ripe old age of 47 years old, I know some don't believe that, but it's true. I don't possess the skills necessary to make this truck a showstopper. And it messes with my ego a little bit, and it messes with my head a little bit. I want something I can be proud of. I want something nice. I want something that people to walk by and go, man, that's freaking cool. You know, like all the stuff that we drool over, you know, every day on social media or at shows. And it would be cool to, like, you know, catch trophies and catch cool stuff. And before I get way off topic, what I'm trying to say is, it's hard. It's hard to come to grips with the fact that you're not gonna be a great welder overnight and lay down beautiful beads that are show worthy, that people are gonna walk by and go, wow, that's killer. It's not. It's hard to come to grips with that stuff. And as much as I want this truck to be the best I could be, it's getting bogged down in my head that this is the best it could be. At this point in my life, at this age, these are the skills I have and this is the best I could do. And maybe 5 years from now, 5 more builds from now, I can lay down some show quality welds. I could come in there and have some stuff that's, you know, ready to be painted over and stuff that I'm gonna be proud of. But right now, I'm gonna show you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly, including this little talk with myself that keeps me awake at night that, Ben, just paint your truck. You had a great time last year. Meeting people, going to events, hanging out with your family at shows, hanging out with your son. I mean, I got to spend my son's 16th birthday at Forbidden Fantasy last year. It was awesome. That's where he wanted to go. And that's what we're doing this for, right? Is the memories and the friendships. And at the end of the day, the awards are freaking cool. And dang it, I want one. I want a trophy. I admit it. Like, it's cool to be acknowledged by your peers, man. And I wish if I could rewind the clock and go back and find Aladdin's lamp, that I would get those skills to be a better mini truck builder. But hey, I'm not. It's not gonna happen. So let's grab some paint. Let's get this thing put back together. Let's get the mini nats. Stay positive. And I appreciate all the friends, you know who you are, that listen to me complain and mope and be a bum because I'm awake at night wanting better than this. Because I built this thing myself with the help of some good friends and some family members. We learned a lot, we laughed a lot, and this guy cried a lot. It's time to get it back together, man, and get it on the road. Because I want you guys to know, like, where I'm at. 25 days out, 20 days out for mini nats. I know what you guys are thinking. I forgot to press record again, but I didn't. The place that painted my frame is super top secret, and they wouldn't let me record in there. Yeah, that's it.